Hello and welcome to Behind the Bar with Cara Devine. As any regular viewers will know, my whole kind of thing is about making really good cocktails and good quality drinks sort of accessible at home and obviously in bars as well. But when these guys reached out, Shaker and Spoon, with their subscription pack service and asked to send me some, I actually just thought it was a really good idea because let's be frank, I try and keep things quite simple on this channel so that they are easy to replicate at home. But a lot of the more complicated stuff that we do in the bar is really only easy because, you know, we have like a sous vide machine and a dehydrator and slicers and all of this kind of thing. So what these guys do is basically put all of the effort in sort of back of house and they take care of all of that. And then what you get at your door is heaps of little fun little bitters and kind of tinctures and powders and everything that allow you to craft some really good quality and delicious drinks at home. Each of the boxes is kind of themed around one particular spirit, so then you only have to buy that one bottle, and then you get 3 recipe cards and you can get 4 drinks out of each recipe, so perfect for a dinner party. Now I'm doing the Summer Scotch number 2 one, because obviously whiskey is definitely up my alley, and I always like seeing it used in kind of lighter and brighter, more fun cocktails compared to, you know, everyone thinks it has to be quite serious and stirred down often. Now we've done the other couple, so a Worn Path, which was a little strawberry number, which is very delicious and summery, and then Pretty and Poppin', which was a fun name for sure, but the one I'm going to do today, and I'm probably going to butcher this, is Como la Mujer, I assume. Alright, so I am going to make the Como la Mujer. And these guys have been kind enough to offer a little discount code for anyone that likes the look of this as well, so stay tuned because I'll be giving you that at the end. You can learn which bartender created it for you as well. So Ana Cabrera Marquez has taken scotch from the land of peat to the palm trees, cooling it down with a punchy blend of mango, tamarind and citrus, and then warming up the experience with a cinnamon sugar rim that will overjoy your olfactories. This all sounds quite exciting. So you need cinnamon sugar, scotch, mango nectar, tamarind citrus cordial, mole bitters, and chipotle cocktail spice, which I have all here. It's shaken, so I've got my tins and my strainers, and then a large Collins glass, which I'm going slightly off script here and using kind of a fluted glass, but I hope that they'll forgive me for that. So then we're going to put the little cinnamon sugar out on a plate. And then we just need to wet our glass to kind of run that around the rim. You can use just a paper towel, but I figured that I had some cut citrus, so may as well. Then it's on crushed ice, so I don't actually have access to crushed ice here, so I'm gonna have to go a little bit old school. I didn't even bring my mallet, so we'll see how well the wooden spoon goes, but I'm just gonna pop some ice in a tea towel and then bash it out. Crushed-ish, which I think will be good enough for me. We're gonna go into our shaker with all of the ingredients. 1 1/4 ounces of scotch, which I'm gonna have to figure out now. So I guess just over 30 mils, maybe about 40 mils, 45 mils. The nice thing is, you know, you're doing it at home, so however much you want really, I assume. 2 1/2 ounces of the mango nectar. 1 ounce of the tamarind citrus cordial. And this is just the kind of thing that I would never bother actually making, so it's pretty cool. Such an interesting flavor, like really quite bright. And then 4 dashes of mole bitters, which comes in this cute little vial. 4 dashes of chipotle cocktail spice, which sounds quite intriguing. This all smells awesome already. Then I'm just gonna get my ice ready in my glass. Fill my shaker tin up with ice and give it a shake. I'm quite enjoying following someone else's instructions rather being the one that has to give the instructions, because if it doesn't turn out well, then I can just blame it on someone else. almost the same. Give it a little try. Yum, that's so fun. I wouldn't have thought to put mango with scotch, to be honest, but it works really, really well. And the cinnamon sugar is a really nice addition as well and kind of ties back in. And it's like proper spicy. Definitely got the mole and chipotle coming through there. That's really, really clever and really delicious. So thank you so much to Shaker and Spoon for supporting this channel and also for making what's genuinely a really good quality product that just makes making cocktails fun at home. If this does look like something that you might be interested in, obviously you've got Christmas coming up, it would make a really good gift or just to treat yourself, then they have given us a discount code, so you can click the link below and at checkout use the code BTB with Cara, or you can go straight to their website, so www.shakerandspoon.com/BTB with Cara, and you'll get $20 off your first box, which seems like a pretty good deal to me. So now you know.